Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert page number in two columns in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert page numbers in two columns. Go to the another page. Then zoom out this document. Then go to the insert menu and click the shapes drop down menu. Then draw this text box. Then copy the text box and paste inside. Now we want to add page number in two columns. Firstly, resize the text box. Then click the top of this page, then press 1, then click the another page, then press 1, then zoom in this document. Now we can see we added page number in two columns this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.